eating food.
Eating food. What's this?
Get fries.
Fries. This one.
Ketchup.
Ketchup. This one. Ano to?
Donut.
Donut. This one. This one. This one, baby. This one. What do you call this one?
Milk.
Milk.
Milk. Drink.
Drink. Milk drink. Okay, sige. Start eating na po. Let's go. Sabi mo.
Go.
Sige, eat.
Ito.
Spicy. Sige. Donut. Try donut. What's this?
Donut.
Yung dipping. Ano yung dipping mo?
Drink.
Choco?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Sige. Try it. What the taste?
Yummy.
What's that? What are you eating?
Foodie.
Foodie? What food?
Fries.
Fries. This one. Dipping. Dipping sauce. What's that? What's this?
Ito.
Dito. This one.
Fries.
This one. What's this?
Ketchup.
This one. Take it.
Ketchup.
What are you doing here?
Sandal lang ako.
Sige, eat.
Ito.
Ang cute ng Mr. Donut na ano. Oops. What the taste, baby?
Yummy.
What the taste, baby?
Sweet.
Sweet. You like the milk drink? Approve ba sa'yo yung milk drink? Yeah, you eat. Hindi ka kaya, hindi ka nakikita. Mais ka. Okay, eat. Basta kaya ayos na.
Hi guys.
Papakute ka pa. Okay, malapit na pong maubos ang Mr. Donut. 2 left na lang. Dip. How's the food, Kel? Do you like it? Do you like it? Do you like it? Say! Answer me, do you like it? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Saan ba nakalagay yun? Naisama ko na yun.
Last one. Done. Fries. Nating na po. Fries.
Ayan, ayan.
Yummy?
Wala. Yan yung call yan.
Aba, finish na din, oh. Yan. Very good.
Meron pa.
Meron pa ba? Hmm.